So today I decided to teach you guys some basic features on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is a S26 Ultra, but all the features I'm going to teach you today, it will relate it to all your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because you're going to learn so many new things in this channel. So today we're going to talk about the three basic features that I see some Samsung users haven't even turned on them. And let's get started. So first of all is always on display. So if you can see this right now, always on display is on right now. But however, sometimes I see some Samsung users, they never turn this on. And they always ask me, what is the time? Because the phone is turned off, right? So I have to turn it on, they have to look at the time and turn it back off, and it's very annoying. How do we turn on always on display? It's actually very simple. All you have to do is you go to the settings. At the bottom here, remember search every time. AOD. That's all you have to do. So once you see AOD, lock screen and AOD, we're gonna go in there and always on display. Turn this on, but we still have to go inside. So when to show always on display? Because if you don't go here, sometimes they will turn it off by themselves. All you have to do is you either go always auto, not tap to show. Some people by default they will go to tap to show. So you tap on the screen, then the AOD will show. But you don't want to do that. You want to do auto or always. Now, if you lock your screen, always on display will be on. And it doesn't waste that much battery. You have to understand this part. This is feature number one. Feature number two is we would like to talk about the settings on the scroll bar. So right here, we are talking about right here. Did you know you can actually customize everything? Doesn't matter which UI you're using. This bar, you can change anything you want. So if you look closely, some of the stuff you might not even need, right? You just need to press this pencil and start editing them. You can take out whatever you want. You can put this up here. So they just say if you use your QR code a lot, just drag on the top and then that's it, right? Let's just say you don't need mobile hotspot. You just click there and then that's it. When you press done, you can see the QR code is actually on the top now. So you don't have to search QR code. And this one is not necessarily has to be 8.5. You can go for One UI 7 or even One UI 6 if you have One UI 6, because the toolbar you can customize anytime you want. The final features that I would like to show you, and this one I've been using since Galaxy S3, is inside the camera. You want to go to this dot right here, or if you have some older version, just go search your settings. Okay, let's say you go to settings, and then we're gonna go all the way down and go to shooting method. All right, and now make sure you turn these on. Okay, force command or use palm. Make sure to turn this two on, because every time when you want to take a picture, you don't have to worry about pressing this button or go to the side if you're using iPhone. You just need to tell them capture and they will take a picture for you. Smile. Or if you do like a selfie, you just need to put your hand up and then they will start counting down. It's very simple. You don't have to worry about touching this. You just use your voice, use your palm, and then ready to take a picture for you. Very simple. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope these features helps you, and make sure you use them, turn them on, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, peace out.